This video is going to show you how you can shut off the wireless adapter for the laptops and the all-in-ones. You go down the system tray and you click on, or you right click on the wireless icon and you click disabled. When it disabled, it will go away, or it might have a red X like the local area network connection has here. That's how you shut it off. To turn it back on, you go to Start, Control Panel, go to Network Connections, right click on the wireless connection and click on Enable. If you do not see the network connections icon in the control panel, to get to it you go to Start, Help and Support. In the search box you type in network connection and then you choose connect to an available wireless network, and then you choose open network connections. That will open your network connections folder. Then you can right click on your wireless network connection and click enable, and once it's enabled and working, you will see the icon back down in the system tray, and there it's connected.